Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on backup system and update. After you click on system and update, you will see first option is software update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Enter phone pin. Click on clear. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.